So concept name is dialects. How many types of dialects available sir అంటే three types of dialects available: alert dialogue, prompt dialogue, and confirm dialogue. So first, what is the dialogue sir? Dialogue means a small window. Small size boxes are called as dialogues. A small box is there no? This is called as dialogue box. So we have three types of boxes like this. So one box is alert, second box is confirm, third box is the prompt. Three boxes for three purposes we are using. So now I'm going to starting one by one. So first one is alert dialog. What is the purpose, sir? To display the message to users. JavaScript is starting days la user remember alert and one or two cases. I detail we are discussing that day situation wise I used it. Complete information now it will comes. So alert user to display some message to users. And I also compared with in our mobiles also alert messages are coming alerts. That alerts are same in websites. So what is the purpose of this sir? To display some message or some information to user. Displaying messages to user. Any type of messages sir, but HTML message is not allowed. String messages, so numeric values, that is okay. I want to display some H1 tag to user sir, not allowed. We can display hi, hello, how are you? Sum is 100, X is big number, 10 is even number. These type of messages we can display. Then how to create this alert box, sir? So window dot alert, and within the brackets, what are the messages you want to display to user, or what are the data you want to display to user? Write that one. Window dot alert. If you remember my last week explanations, this window is not compulsory. Remember, even if you remove the window also still it will works. But now what is this alert sir? It's a one function, predefined function. Purposes are to create the alerted dialog. The total 3 points available. One dialog name, one function name, one purpose. Alert function used to create the alerted dialogs. Alerted dialog purpose words are to display the message to user. So one function, one box, one purpose. One function, one box. Every function creating one box, and every box used for certain purpose. Three words are comes total. So this is the name of the function, and this is the box name, and this is the purpose of the box. Same second one also it will come set confirm dialog. Second one more dialog confirm. What is the purpose of this dialog, sir? To take the confirmation from the users. As a developer, I want to take the confirmation from the users. But before starting the session, what I did before starting of my session, before starting of the explanation, what I did, first I wished. Somebody you replied, somebody not replied. After wishing, next what I did, I'm taking confirmation from online students. Why you are always asking online only, sir? Offline you never ask it, sir. No need, because you're directly watching me. Why confirmation? They're not watching. It's only come online, no. So there was, I think some of the online students they doesn't knows my face also. Name knows, but face no idea. Fact అది. Then only they're getting confusions, huh? So voice అంటే my voice is going to that side anata, clearly audible anata, no idea. Without checking that one, if I start the explanation, I'm getting full questions, messages. Then only taking confirmation, audio clearer, video clearer. That is nothing but an confirmation. So before doing some task, cross checking with the users. You want to do this one, is it okay for you? Like that cross-checking process. So user to take confirmation from users. It's also called as cross-checking. Cross-checking. The user trying to do some work, sir. User, they're trying to perform some operation on the web page. But instead of directly allowing that operation, once I'm cross-checking, really want to do this work, then I'll allow that one. So confirm followed by write your message here. Which confirmation you need, that one. But how I asked, is it clear audio now? Like that, you can ask. You want to do this work? You want to perform this operation? Cross check that one. Websites, I think you don't know any idea, but mobiles, you have a lot of experience with these confirmation boxes because laptops you are not using the mostly mobiles. Maximum you are using mobiles, laptops very less, right? So laptop less cases you are using, and indirectly you are not practicing the programs also అని meaning అది. కరెక్టే కదా లాజిక్. But when you are opening some apps, so by chance if you press the back button, what happens? It's one middle of the mobile small box is comes. Huh? What is Amar, what is that box called? Lunch box. Confirmation box. A box inside two buttons available. Okay, cancel, no, yes, no, no, something. And that is only the sentence to take the confirmation from the user. User pressing the back button, they really pressed it, accidentally pressed it, I don't know that one. I'm cross-checking. You really pressed it, okay, close it. Accidentally pressed it without closing your screen, staying on the same. So once again, one function, one box, one purpose. Next, third one, prompt. Third dialog is prompt dialog. So what is the use of prompt dialog, sir? To take the input from the user. To take the input from the user. That is similar to programming language is a scanner function. Scanning functions available, taking input from the user. That is this one same. C language is scanf, core Java scanner class, .NET console.read line కదా. No dot. Console dot write line. Console dot write for printing purpose కదా yaar. So every language one function is there to take the input from the user. Like that in JavaScript, if I want to take the input from users, sir, prompt is the option. Prompt is the only option to take input from the users in JavaScript. So taking input from the user, nothing but an runtime values. I think Java you are calling runtime values. You can use that word, no problem. So prompt followed by parenthesis, write something message, comma default value. What is the message, sir? Enter X value, enter Y value, enter first number, enter last number, enter Z value. That is called as message. Which value you are expecting from user? First, a prompting required. Message, if you print it as per the message, user typing the data. In all languages, so every scanning step before one printing step is there or not? A printing step not available. What we have to type? So this is prompt inside, like as alert to one message is comes. That is clarity to user what they have to type. And bottom of that one text box available. Ready-madely one text box is comes. In the text box, HTML text box, remember? In the text box, you can type the data. So conclusion, sir, in default, I'll cover in the example directly. Three dialogues, three functions, three purposes. Alert function creating the alert dialog, confirm function creating the confirm dialog, prompt function creating the prompt dialog. And all these three functions are supplied and provided by window object. All these are the members of the window object. Three functions are coming from window object. Next one small guidelines are and special note point also. Within these three functions, we should not use any HTML. Default, I'll cover in the program I said, yes, sir. Atro. So what is the guidelines, sir? We should not use any HTML or CSS things inside this function. And I want to use some NBSP, sir, not allowed. I want to use the H1 tag inside this, sir, not allowed. No HTML components allowed, no CSS also allowed. Strictly allowed, not allowed. By chance, if I use any tags inside that boxes, sir, your tag name printing directly in the output. If you write the button spelling printing in the output. If I write the IMG tag name is printing in the output. So HTML tags not accepted as well as CSS code also not allowed. So rule compulsory. Next, one FAQs are here. Interview question, mostly asked question. What are the global functions of the JavaScript? Explain the global functions of the JavaScript. So around we have 9 global functions in the JavaScript. In that 9, these are the 3. Remaining 6 are. Oh, half an hour after, 2 more functions I'm introducing. Oh, 1 week after, some more. And all functions at a time not possible. Situation wise, I am releasing. Then only first I'm listing the functions. I'm going to explaining before completing your course. Hmm? What is the question? What are the global functions of the JavaScript? First, what is meaning of global, sir? Global means these functions we can directly access and we can use anywhere in the application also. Direct accessible. Similar to public concept in your OOPS concept. Similar to public. Anybody they can access, anywhere also they can access. So global functions. I'm listing the global functions. Just now what we completed 3 alert, prompt, confirm. Next to parse integer, parse integer, parse float, parse float. Next one, set interval, set interval, set timeout, set interval, set timeout, clear interval, clear timeout. We, mostly these are the 9 global functions. And we have some more global functions, sir. But generally, these 9 functions, most of the developers they're considering. Some more functions are there. We want to know that also, sir. Just an idea purpose I'm writing. Print also available. One more function, print. My Java also we have print, sir. In Python also we have print, sir. That print different, this print different. In Java Python print, it prints the data on screen now. A black color screen available on your monitor, it's printing. But this print function, it prints the data on your paper. If you have printer connection, a web page content you can print by using this print function. IRCTC after ticket booking completion process, a print ticket and a button is comes together. A button inside this function is calling. Or if you check the marks reports, your semester results in the online website, bottom print marks an option also available. A button inside this function is calling. So web page content, if you want to print directly on the papers, that function is useful for us. Calling sir, nothing directly, you can print to bracket, that's all. Directly printing. Just confusion available, a window dot print. Reason, all these global functions are the members of the window object. All these 10 functions are coming from the window object. So you can write window dot print or just a print also, okay. Sir, color printing, black and white printing, sir. How I can say that one? It depends upon your printer, sir. How I can say that one? Hmm? Hmm. Which printer you are using, as per that printing is comes, sir. Hmm? So global functions means this 9 functions is more enough. Now I'm going to starting to introduce one by one. So first one, elect window.elect followed by write something message, sir, welcome or hello world, whatever it may be. Window.elect followed by this one. So check the output. This small white color box is there, na? It is called as alert box. A small boxes. Full screen is called as windows. Small screens are called as the alerts. Dialog boxes. If when you click on OK, the box disappears and you'll get the remaining output. So white color box, this blue color buttons, everything is ready-made code. That code is already defined inside the function. I'm simply calling the function. And function is taking only from you message. That message is this one. Next, I'm writing one more elect. What I said, the guideline, don't use the HTML tags. That I'm going to demonstrating here. Suppose I'm taking some HTML, okay, JavaScript, line break, TypeScript, line break, ECMA script. So 3 messages I'm printing, every message after I have line break. But output what we are getting, sir? JavaScript, BR, T, TypeScript, BR, ECMA script. A first letter, okay, second alert is comes. So that is what I said. Don't use. Time waste. But if I want to perform the line break operation, what to do, sir? You simply go for backslash n. Backslash n. Instead of br tag, backslash n. Last week I said JavaScript also sequence characters available, but all are not supported properly. So then only I'm not focused on that one. The 2, 3 sequence characters supported in that one of this. Second one, slash b t also supported. Space tab also supported. This is backslash n. Now it's performing line break. First one, and this is the second one. So instead of br tag, use the line slash n. Now again, small warning. Warning at a programming warning, not for you. So document.write followed by document.write followed by. But same message, if you write here, sir, it doesn't supports. This one doesn't supports. line break not applied, but it's not affected to output. But what to do here, sir? And we have to use here BR tag. So now you will get the output in 3 lines. But what is moral of the story? Tags supported things, sequence characters not supported. Sequence characters supported function, tags not supported. That is moral. One. BR tag, if you support it, a backslash n doesn't works. Backslash n is works, a BR tag doesn't. So any one option is possible. This is not part of the program, just a comparison purpose. So alert followed by 3 messages. Mhm. So this is the purpose of the alert, sir, displaying some messages to user. A backslash n is one of the sequence character. Clear pronunciation of escape sequence character set. One set available. We have a lot of symbols in that one also. Programming languages అయితే mostly supported, sir, but JavaScript mostly not supported. Very few only supported. I want to use some tabs slash t, sir. You can try once. What happens, sir? Tab symbol printing instead of tab space. Next, I want to use the slash b, sir. What is b? Slash b means, huh? Slash b, bold. Arrow. స్లాష్ బి అంటే బ్యాక్ స్పేస్ అమ్మా. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్టూడెంట్. స్లాష్ బి మీన్స్ బ్యాక్ స్పేస్. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ సార్ అంటే వాట్ ఆర్ ద డేటా యూ ప్రింటెడ్ ఇన్ దట్ లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిలీటింగ్. విచ్ డేటా యూ ప్రింటెడ్ ఇన్ దట్ లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిలీటెడ్. మన కీబోర్డ్లో బ్యాక్ స్పేస్ కీ ఇస్ దేరా, దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్. ఎంటర్ కీ, టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎంటర్ కీ, విచ్ కీ వీ హ్యావ్ backspace. That backspace is this backspace. There is something symbol displayed. And I'm saying that already couple of times, not supported properly. But if you use this one, your Java, C, .NET languages, get a T printed together, T removing. Every word, a last letter deleted. A last letter. Same. But now I typed Apple. If I use the backspace, what happens? It deleted. Same thing it is also doing. If I use one more backspace, sir, L also deleted. If you use the 2 backspaces, 2 symbols are going to deleting. My programming languages supported this one. You can use Java, .NET, C, C++. This I don't know that one. I'm not interfering. These I 100% supported. So backslash n, backslash t, backslash r, backslash b, backslash double quotes, backslash single quotes, backslash a, backslash v, backslash f. So what is all this, sir? Escape sequence character set. The total list. In this list, C language, everything is supported. All supported by the C language. Well, comes to core Java, one or two except remaining all are supported. Core Java, I think. This I don't know. Supported all? Mhm. Huh? Mm. Supporting all? No idea. Okay. Anybody? Python supporting all these things, online students? Huh? No, నా యూజ్డ్ ఫస్ట్ అసలు వాడారు అసలు ఎక్కడన్నా మరి వాడకుండా ఎట్ట చెప్తావు? Hmm? Okay, doubt available అయితే you can try use a print function available. Printf function inside, if you use the symbols, you will get the supporting as supporting it, the output comes. Not supporting it, like a JavaScript, some variety reactions are coming. Hmm? Hmm. So this is line break. This is tab space. This is R. R for carries written. Carries written. Carries ఉంది కదా మన carries written. What is the meaning, sir? Cursor moving to starting of your line. That is equivalence to. Do you have any idea about home key in the keyboard? HOME and one key is there. Kada. Home end page up, page down. If I press the home key, what happens? Cursor moving to same line. Kada. Same line no, starting. This is also that one. When you want to overwrite the data, this home key is very useful for you. Programming language. The first one output printing. Second output where it will comes generally. Next line or side it will comes. No, sir. The second one I want to replace the overwriting like this, sir. This R is very useful for you. Really. Okay. Next, the slash B means backspace. A last letter deleting. What you printed in the last place, that letter is going to deleting. And double slash in the slash, it prints one slash. One slash is printing. We use it two slashes, but output is comes to one slash. Why, sir? We can directly type it, sir. Directly typing not possible. But system.out.println followed by. If I type the apple slash mango, output jump, not comes output. Why, sir? You are feeling this is a slash, but system feeling this is a sequence character slash mo. What is meaning of slash mo? No meaning. So skip that output. ప్రాక్టికల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ మీకు తెలిసినట్లేదు అసలు ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ ఏమి మొహాలన్నీ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఫేస్లే ఇప్పుడు నేను కూడా ఎందుకు ఇంకంత డీటెయిల్గా చూడటం మరి హౌ టు ప్రింట్ దట్ వన్ స్లాష్ ఇన్ మై అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవ్రీ లైన్ సార్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ లైక్ దిస్ సో యాపిల్ స్లాష్ మ్యాంగో కమ్స్ ఇన్ టు అవుట్పుట్ నెక్స్ట్ డబుల్ కోడ్స్ directly double quotes we can't print in double programming language. JavaScript is possible because single quotes inside we can use double quotes. Direct option is there. Then I don't need these. Reason that only. But to go to the Java.NET languages, I want to print the apple with the double quotes like this, sir. Syntax error. Because first quotation name was syntax, starting of the message, ending of the message. The second one name I need the name with the quotes. But system point of view meaning what, sir? Quotations open, quotations close. What is this nuisance under that? But what to do, sir? You have to print with the double slash like this. Now your data comes with the double quotes. You can print the data with the double quotes. Slash A, C languages, C++ supported, sir. Remaining languages not support. A for means, sir, and alert. A for alert. After printing of every message, like as ATM keys pressing, what happens? Kick and some sound is comes now while pressing the ATM keys. Every message after beep sound is comes. Hello, beep sound. Hi, beep sound. Every end of the message will get one beep sound that is called as alert. Alert and noise comes. My keyboard logo when we are pressing the keys, beep sound comes, but you are switching off that somebody. A disturbance. So when printing of output, every message after I need kick sounds, sir. You will get use this one. And slash V, sir. T, V both same, but this tab means horizontal tab. V means vertical tab. vertical tab applying. Slash S means, sir, form feed. Form feed in the sense your page ended there. Slash n into line break. This one is the page break. Page break. And up to that page completed, remaining data fresh page is printing. Or 10 lines completed, then I want to stop. 10 lines output completed. I want to stop the output here, sir. Apply this flash. But on-screen effect not comes. Only line data splitting into the next line and then, but on-screen effect not comes. If you print the data, it 10 lines one paper printing, remaining lines another paper printing. Like MS Word page break an option is there? Any idea? Na? First paper we started, but first line paper 5 lines available. Remaining lines no. Remaining I want to leave the gaps, sir. Somebody what they're doing, sir, and enter pressing up to get the second page. Somebody insert page break. That is this F. So except this one, remaining your Java also supported. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చూడండి. లిస్ట్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, ప్రింట్ లోపల ట్రై చేసి చూడండి, అవుట్పుట్ ప్రకారం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఇంకా పైథాన్ నాకు అంత తెలియదు అమ్మ, అది జావా అయితే బికాస్ బేసికలీ ఐఎమ్ జావా ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఆల్సో. జావా, యూఐ, ఒరాకిల్ 3 subjects. I'm also full stack. Now HTML smiley symbols we can display other. Like that in Java also we can display smiley symbols along with your output. No, na. Yes, here. /0, /1, /2. Emojis, heart symbol, flower symbol, leaf symbol, smiley symbol. So those all the comes like this when you type. Otherwise, we can use some special characters also. This is also printing. స్ప్రింగ్ బ్యాచ్ అది నాట్ మీ సార్, అది శివకుమార్ కాదు మళ్ళీ మొదలైంది. స్ప్రింగ్ అది శివం కుమార్, నాట్ శివకుమార్. Could check the name properly. It's not me, it's a Shivam Kumar. Python you can try. Java 100%. It's working. C++ also 100% working. JavaScript only 2 symbols, remaining not supported. So sequence characters available, but JavaScript properly not support. Majority of the symbols not supported. Reasons are all these things we can do directly together. But \n I don't need. I can directly type that one. I'll get output with the slash. But if I need the double quotes, sir, combinations available together. Here single quote, double quote, single quote. Now I'll get the output with the double quotes. So I have alternatives here. With HTML I can manage, or with some special support also I can manage. So perfectly working at the only \n, sir. Next one, confirmation. So explanation over, I'm just implementing in the program. I'm asking the user a small question. What is that question, sir? Suppose, do you want to log out? Maybe websites lo you are very rarely you are seeing this message, but most of mobile apps regularly you are watching this. especially money related apps and banking transactions related apps. So if you click the back button, they're going to ask you, do you want to exit? Do you want to log out? If you select those, even your SBI Bank, Uno Bank app you are using the mostly, click the back button, you will get this message only. No, no. Next time observe. But if you have not observed, next time observe. But users selecting one of that option, two buttons available. Okay, cancel ano, yes, no ano, is something available. Now JavaScript is printing the OK and cancel. See that. Mm. Mm. So do you want to log out? OK, cancel. If user selected OK, sir, you should run the logout logic. If user selected the cancel, sir, without doing any operation, stay on the same screen only. That's further activity. Or user selected OK or cancel. How we know that, sir? We can collect the data, sir. It is testing completed. Could the disturbance available? So place it in the comments. And back to here. Take some variable. Let some x equals to. Let some x equals to confirm followed by do you want to log out. So which button user selected, that button value stored into x variable. Which button you selected, a button value storing into x variable. So what is that value, sir? If you select the OK, it stores the true Boolean value. If you select the cancel, it stores the false. Can I see that value, sir? Sir, you can use document.write or console.log. We'll do one small thing just for change. Because so many days we are using document.write here. Just for changing console.log. We know already, but not used it. Starting days I explained this one. It is also printing the message, but where it is printing, sir, inside that console. So print X value, you will get the clarity. Open console, refresh. Okay, true. Refresh, cancel, false. So OK button returns the true, cancel button returns the false. Developers generally what they are doing, sir, next idea purpose I'm saying. They're taking some if condition. If x equals to true, here run logout logic. They're placing some logout related logic. And else nothing to do. So nothing. Stay on same page. Not program, just awareness. Don't run this program because the English sentence, not logic. So idea purpose, I said next level what to do. Based on the X value, we have to execute the logout logic or we have to stay on the same screen. The actual process. Next one, third box, prompt box. Prompt followed by enter name. I'm asking the user, enter your name. Which name they're given, that name we have to store into one variable. Because every scanning step inside variable compulsory, then only your value storing into that variable. And here also you can take let n equals to prompt. User given name stored into n variable. Prompt to taking the data from user and assigns to n variable. Which name, sir? Which name user given, that one. By chance user not given any name, sir, blank it is storing. Empty storing, blank. Null కాదు. Already said null different, blank different. Remember last week I said that one. Last week there's something data types discussion case. Huh? Hmm. NULL is different. EMPTY is different. But you have water bottles, huh? Water bottle available. So water completed. 9 o'clock you are filling the water. You are going to continuously sipping that water for controlling of the sleep. Huh? A sleepiness controlling, right? Huh? Who said here water if you are drinking sleepiness is going to stopping అని ఏ డాక్టర్ ప్రూవ్ చేశాడు ఎక్కడ ఏ సైన్స్ ప్రూవ్డ్ దట్ వన్ విచ్ సైన్స్ ఈస్ ప్రూవ్డ్ ఓకే యాజ్ పర్ యువర్ సెంటిమెంట్స్ యువర్ బిలీవింగ్స్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డ్రింకింగ్ ఓ 1 hour ఆఫ్టర్ వాటర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇట్ నల్ బాటిల్ ఎంటీ బాటిల్ అది టుమారో ఆన్వర్డ్స్ కాల్ నల్ బాటిల్ నల్ బాటిల్ నల్ బాటిల్ అని విలేజెస్ లో కార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా మంచాలు ఉంటాయి కదా విలేజ్ ఏముంటాయి ఆ మంచాలు నల్లులు ఉంటాయి సో అది ఎంటీ బాటిల్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ నల్ బాటిల్ null in the sense null storing in the memory block. NULL null storing in the memory block. Empty in the sense memory inside nothing is available. Mm. That is empty. Null means null storing in that one. Mm. So we'll get the outputs, empty outputs we have and null output also we have. Mm. So data stored in the N. I want to see that data, sir. Go for console.log print N. First checking. Enter your name. Got one small text box waiting for you. You can observe that one. Type the name. So name typing, observe that one. Shiva Kumar Y. Uh, mm, mm. Okay. And this is the name. Mm, mm, mm. So next again refresh it. I'm not so typing any name. Without typing the name, okay. What it is printing? Empty. One line is there. Observe, na? If it is really null, sir, null clearly displaying to your eyes, spelling printing clearly. So, but this is called as empty bottle. Next again, refresh. I'm clicking on cancel, sir. Now null comes, see that one. Previous one, this one, both. So whenever you click the cancel button, it always returns the null. Even if I type the data, sir, cancel, null only. Without data, cancel, sir, null only. Are you typed data or not? I don't want. Cancel button permanently returns the null only. And OK button, sir, if you are given any data, the data is returns. If you are not given any data, empty is going to returns. So total 3 values possible. One given data, that is this one. Second one is the empty, that is this is gap. And third one is the cancel null. Next one, let A equals to prompt followed by enter age. One more prompt, sir, second prompt to enter age. And after that, I'm taking the 1. So what is this 1, sir? And a default value. It is called as default value. Previous execution, without typing the data, if you click the OK, empty is coming. Na? That empty is replaced by the 1. The user not given any data. If they directly clicked on OK, then it shows the 1. If in first case, user directly clicked on OK, sir, empty comes. Second case, empty place, 1 value comes, that is called as default value. User missed, then take 1 as a default value. And print the both N comma A. Print the name and age. So suppose Ram 10. This is Next, refresh, cancel, cancel. What is the output? How many? One or two? One null or two nulls? Huh? Huh? Two. Two boxes or one box? Two prompts or one prompt? Two prompts, one value returns. First prompt to cancel, null returns. Second prompt to cancel also, null returns. Cancel lifelong null. Clearly pointed that one. Hmm. Next again, refresh. Sam, okay. Second value, I'm not typing. Without typing, directly okay. Okay, okay. That is. Second one, I didn't type anything. Without typing myself, I directly clicked on OK. Then it takes the default value 1. So, conclusion, sir. First one displaying the message to user like as outputs. Last one taking the data from users like as inputs. And middle one is the cross-checking or confirmation function. So total 3 dialogues, so 3 purposes. And now we'll run all boxes at a time. So total program I'm executing once. Hello world, backslash n, okay, and name some Shiva. This is the confirmation. This is the first prompt, and this is the second prompt. They said both are same. Urani. Rahil, my way of introducing, you know, Gadam. Hmm? Patel, sorry. Last 1.5 month onwards, you are observing the first two sentences fixed. Good morning, online students. Is it clear audio and video? A sentence is not coming and it's not me. Aye. Hmm? Well, end of the batch. Thank you all. Tomorrow we'll continue. If 4 sentences fixed, observe that one. Hmm? And no faculty is going to using these sentences. Hmm? Hmm. Especially, is it clear audio and video? Hmm. Hmm. A sentence is not coming and it's not me. Hmm. 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 My dupe. Movies lo heroes dupes ఉంటారు చూడండి. Moving to the next one, sir. Another small topic. Small topics, sir, this one. So one more small topic I'm going to introducing. They listen carefully. Hmm? If they carefully listen, it very important. Small topic, but very important. So what is the topic name, sir? Parsing. Parsing. So what is parsing, sir? Parsing means changing the data from string format to the original format. Data available in string format or data available in text format. The data is going to changing into the original and actual format. That procedure is called as the parsing. Typecasting కాదమ్మా parsing అమ్మా మా సార్ typecasting కాదు. Typecasting అంటే different. Parsing different. But a lot of people they're thinking parsing means typecasting means parsing. So many they are thinking like this only. I hope some of you also, maybe, but it's 100% wrong. Typecasting is a big topic. It's a very big topic. Core Java typecasting easily 3 days or 2 days it will takes that one. Mm. I'm talking about the parsing, half an hour concept, and that's all. A small topic. So parsing is different to typecasting is different for your kind information. Somebody they're pronouncing like that, one data type changing into another data type. That is called as the parsing. No, 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 100% wrong. One data type to another data type, parsing never supported. Parsing, if you want to perform it, data should be in the string format only, not any other formats. So your original data available in string format, actual data. But this is not real string. Data type different, but it comes accidentally in the string format. But the string format data we want to change into original format data, original data type. That process is called as the parsing. The getup changing and getup changing. But heroes, some of the movies, before interval one getup available, after interval one more getup is there. That is called as the parsing. Examples are Basha, Manik Basha. Remember Rajnikant movie? Next one. And before interval, Rajnikant auto driver. A normal person, auto driver. Interval after a big Don. That is parsing. Before interval, after interval, both same Rajnikant, different Rajnikants. Same Rajni. Even it's not dual role also. It is not dual role. Character transformation. Next, before interval, one big hero selling the idlis, dosa, puri on the roadside. One mobile tiffin center available. One big hero. Try to guess the movie name. So hero selling the tiffin, running the tiffin center. Huh? Just before interval, one big police officer is came accidentally that place. A big police officer at a high rank. When you are seeing this hero selling the tiffins or breakfast, sir, and, uh, we have one movie like this, Jai Balaya movie. Samasimha Reddy, there's something available. Narasimha Naidu, there's something. Uh, so next one more, mana mega star, taxi driver. After that, Indra Sena Reddy, Indra movie. Hmm? So these all are called as parsings, right? Yavadu movie you watched? Ram Charan and Allu Arjun movie? That is typecasting. Typecasting. Allu Arjun changing into Ram Charan. But the two heroes separate, two persons also. Plastic surgery, either something they're making Jayasudha madam, so it's changing the one person into another person. That is typecasting. So before flashback, hero is a big person, Jamindar, Shaukari, but he's going to driving the autos, cars. These all called as the parsings concept. Same person, situational demanding, he's acting like as a driver, but flashback is a better person. So typecasting to passing difference is that one. Same. So we are going to working with the parsing right now. We have two types of parsings in JavaScript, sir. Implicit parsing, explicit parsing, also called as auto parsing, manual parsing. Hmm. Changing the data from string format to numeric format are also called as the actual data type. And the original character is comes out. Up to that, he's acted as a another person, and then original nature is comes. This type of thing is parsing. And this parsing we can do in the two process. One is auto parsing, implicit. We don't need to write any extra code, sir. Automatically browser is parsing, situational demanding. And second one is, sir, manual parsing. Programmer should care about this one. Programmer is responsible. First scenario, browser is responsible. Means your translator is responsibility. Second scenario, programmer is the responsible. Okay. Which cases browser performing the auto parsing, sir? Which scenarios browser performing auto parsing, sir? while working with these operators. When you are using the minus, remember expression, combination of operators and operands. Last session, Amma, combination of operators and operands is called as expression. So your expression contains any minus symbol, automatically your data passing. Your expression contains any single star, double star, slash, percentage, increment and decrement. Is seven operators, if any operator is there in your expression, auto parsing. That's all. Other than these seven operators, I think around we discussed 22 or 23 operators, right? 23 plus operators. And that seven gone. The remaining 15 plus operators is there, na? You should care about that one. You are the responsible. This seven system is the responsible. Work distribution, amma. Of all work, one person is doing burden kada. So I'm doing half work, the remaining half you can do. Hmm. So auto parsing completed, sir. We'll focus on the main manual. Auto parsing means language can parse the data, depends upon the situations. What are the situations, sir? Subtractions, multiplications, exponential values, divisions, modulars, increment and decrement operators. Your expression, they have any of these operators, you just relax it, system will take care about you. Hmm? And if you are working with other than these seven operators, sir, system relaxing, you have to take care about. Uh, hmm? Okay. Manual or explicit parsing. How to perform the manual or explicit parsing, sir? Hmm. We have two options here. One is by using functions. Just a half an hour back, I listed this function name, global function, parse integer. Second function is the parse float. That is also global function. So using functions, so first option. Second one, by using operator. General operators completed together. So special operators are the first model introducing. I think already 8 are completed. 9 are. How many 8 operators we completed? 6 are. Binary operators are 5 completed together. Huh? 8 operators. Okay, this is the ninth operator that is called as parse operator. Parse operator. Okay, one by one. First functions. We can parse the data by using functions. First function parse integer, second function parse float. Same explanations are. Integer accepts only non-pointing values, float accepting the pointing values. And remaining is same. Parse integer, one of the predefined function of the window object. It is used to convert the string-based numbers into integer format. And what are the data available in string format? Okay, we can write string format numbers it converts into integer format. What are the data available in string format? That is converting into original integers, original numbers. For that, we are using this parse int. And here is the syntax window dot parse integer of value. Window dot parse integer of value. This value compulsory string format, sir. What are the value you are writing here? That compulsory in string format. Because suppose these three examples, sir. If I given the double quotations 100 to this parse integer, I'll get the 100 without quotations. So parse integer removing the quotations and returns the 100. What is this 100, sir? Number, integer number. Next, if I given the double quotations 10.78, sir, my answer is 10 only. 0.78 deleted because my function is a integer. Integer not accepts the fractional parts. Next, I given Rama, sir. But Rama acting a original string, original string. First two things they are acting. So Chiranjeev acted as a taxi driver, Balakrishna acted as a idli vehicle owner, Rajnikant acted as a auto driver. There are no acting, sir. The original is string. So Rama, we should not convert into any other formats. Forcibly, if you apply it, sir, that's actually error. But JavaScript returns that error as a nan, not a number, not a numeric. And this data is not number, so I can't parse it. Ram is not a number, so I can't do the parsing. It's actually error. A direct error not comes instead of error, one keyword nan returns. Capital N, small a, capital N. JavaScript case sensitive. Be careful. When as per your personally small letters, don't write it. Capital N, small a, capital N. Not a number. Hmm. This is parse integer, sir. Same style to parse float also. Only the difference is points accepted. Remaining same as. See that. 100, same. Rama, nano, same. The difference is a yellow color line. Difference I highlighted. So first one 10.78, answer is 10. Second one 10.78, answer is 10.78. Hmm. But this is not accepting the fractional part and this is accepting the fractional part. So this is manual parsing by using functions. Both functions changing the data from string format to the actual format, either integer format or floating point format. By chance, if you are giving original strings, so both functions returns the answer as a nan. Both returns as answer as a nan. So temporary checking. So parse integer of what I explained there. See that one. What is the answer? 100 with quotes or without quotes? So I given with the quotes, but I got the output without quotes. That is string changed into number integer format. Then point mm, integer because so points are deleted. But same thing apply for parse float also. So parse float of this one and parse float of 100. This is the theory what I explained here. Hmm? Now wrong thing we'll try. First parse integer I am trying. Ram. What is the answer? Nan. Parse float followed by Ram. Capital N, small a, capital N. Hmm? So this nan is one of your FAQ. Right? Kudiga effectively, specially. Nan. But sir, in which cases will get the nan, sir? Simple thing, sir. Lot of cases we are facing the nan. Not only here is the first time, but future so many cases will get the nan. But which cases will get the nan? How can I identify it, sir? I have to explain that one because it's an interview question. FAQ, how they are asking, sir, and giving some expression with wrong data types. And what is the answer of this one they are asking? 10, no, 20, nano, e options are coming. One of the damn sure question like that. So, simple thing, if you are performing any logical operations on non-supported data types, any logical additions or subtractions or multiplications or divisions or modular operations are, we are applying the calculations, logical operations, but on non-supported data type. The data type it is not supported. Example 10 into 20, 10 into 20, 100. Answer? Huh? 200. So it's supported data types. RAM into 10, sir. 10 రామ్సా? ఆ 10 రామ్స్ మళ్ళీ 10 సీతాస్ కావాలి కదా. ఒక సీత దొరకటమే కష్టం ఇప్పట్లో. సో పాసిబుల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సార్ అంటే నాట్ పాసిబుల్ అది. సో 10/3, 3.33. హైదరాబాద్ బై సికింద్రాబాద్, సైదాబాద్. So that is the meaning. You are performing some logical operations, but these operations, these data types are not supported. So lifelong, you will get the single word message that is the NaN. So when we'll get the NaN sir into performing coding or logics on wrong data types or unsupported data types. Throughout the JavaScript, answer एक ही है, that is NaNs. And the next one, manual parsing with the functions over. Now manual parsings with the operator, that is by using the parse operator. Parse operator. Who is that operator, sir? Plus. Sir, plus you already explained last week, sir. The third time plus I am explaining. First time plus arithmetic. Second time plus concatenation. And now this is the third time same plus symbol. Hmm. Same symbol, single plus. So who is this plus, sir? It's a parse operator. And which type of cell? Unary operator. Previously, 2 places binary operators. Any idea? Arithmetic is binary, concatenation is also binary, but this is unary, like as me increment operator and decrement operator style. Unary plus conditions apply. You must be use only the left side of the variable or left side of the value. The only prefix only allowed. Suffix not allowed, only prefix only allowed. So you should use this plus operator at the left side of the variable. The variable before use it. Variable after if use it, that becomes addition. X plus Y, addition. Plus X, parsing. So positions changing, sir. As per the positions, browser recognizing what I have to do it. The syntax is this one, plus followed by variable or plus followed by value. You can directly apply the value or you can directly apply on the variable also. Anything is okay, no problem. And these are the samples. So plus 10, plus 10.5 and plus Rama. These all are the samples. Almost to previous explanation, we'll get it. See that outputs. Plus 10, answer is 10. Plus 10.5, answer is 10.5. Plus Ramu, answer is NaN. It is general process. Results same. What is the benefit in plus extra? It is managing the integers and also floats. Two in one operation. If I give an integer type, I'll get the answer integer type. If I have the floating point value, I'll get the answer is floating point. So my suggestion is instead of functions, prefer the operator. Reason, parse integer plus. Easy and shortcut. Step simplifying the first of all. Instead of writing the long English word, just using one simple is always better. A symbol is better always. Okay. I'll show the example on that one. No problem. Manual parsing and auto parsing. Both I'll show it. Now I'm demonstrating the program, sir. Manual parsing and auto parsing. First, I the auto parsing I'll cover it based on the time. Manual parsing also explained. We'll focus on auto parsing. Girls, when auto parsing is happens, when implicit or auto parsing is performing. Huh? Which cases implicit or auto parsing is performing? Huh. ఇటు ఊపటం ఇటు ఉన్నారు కానీ మరి 10 minutes బ్యాకే కదమ్మా డిస్కస్డ్ అది పాయింట్ సే క్లియర్లీ ఇడ్లీ చపాతి పూరి దోశ వడానా 10 minutes బ్యాక్ డిస్కషన్స్ బాయ్స్ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్సా నో ప్లస్ నాట్ ఇన్క్లూడెడ్ ఎందుకంటే ప్లస్ సింబలే పార్సింగ్ సింబల్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ లైట్ వెయిట్ నో కదా స్పీడ్ సో దిస్ is my data. X equals to 25 with quotes and Y equals to 7 with quotes. So 25 number, 7 also number, but their presence in the form of string. Now if I did any of these operations, means as multiplication, division, modulus operations, increment and decrement, data now automatically passing internally and giving directly answers. Really, yes, sir. Yes, see that one. So auto passing, I'm starting with the document dot right followed by perform as 7 operators one by one. X minus Y line break and check the answer. This is the output. So passing is done successfully and you got the answer. By chance, 7 RAM I'm taking here. 7 RAM. And what is the answer, sir? 9. Because that operation subtraction is not supported. Okay, back to RAM. In this statement, we have any special functions? No. Any special operators we used, sir? No. On a regular arithmetic operator, X minus Y. But we are not performed any parsing, sir. Language responsible here. That is called as auto parsing. Automatically parsing your data, you don't worry. That is the meaning. So X multiplied with Y and X star star 3 and X cube. Next one, Y slash 4 division. Next one, X percentage Y. X percentage Y. Next one, plus X. Incrementation, pre-incrementation. Next one, minus minus y. So total 7 operators I used here, sir. Really auto parsing is supporting, you'll get the 7 outputs. Any of the operator auto parsing not supported, nance comes. And all answers, so parsing is perfectly working. So subtraction, multiplication, power value, quotient, modulus, increment and decrement. So we developed any special code as sir? No, sir. That's why it is called as implicit or automatic. Except these 7 operators and the remaining 15 plus operators available. 15 plus operators, if you want to use anything, you are the responsible of the parsing. Without parsing, if I write directly, sir, wrong answer, so otherwise nans. Any of that one, either nan or wrong answer, one of that it will comes. Okay, manual parsing, tomorrow I'll cover that one. Thank you all. Any questions, online candidates? Video, it takes time, sir. Immediately video doesn't comes. It takes 1 or 2 days time.